Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get proof of payment from the Capitec app. First, open the Capitec app on your phone and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will arrive on the home page of the app. From the home page, select the account that you want to share the proof of payment from. This can be your main bank account or any other account linked to your Capitec profile. After selecting the account, a list of your recent transactions will appear on the screen. Here you can also choose between money in or money out history if you want to find a specific transaction more easily. Money in will show payments received, while money out will show payments that you have sent to someone else. Now open the transaction that you want to use as proof of payment. After opening the transaction details, look carefully for a button that says Send Payment Proof or Send Payment Notification. Tap on that option to continue. If you cannot see any of these options in your Capitec app, the last option you can use is to take a screenshot of the transaction details and then send the screenshot manually to the person who needs it. Thanks for watching.